Is your soundbar not connecting to your TV? No sound, no connection, just frustration. You tried everything, but nothing works. Don't worry, I will show you simple fixes that actually work. Let's fix this step by step. Step 1, check the correct input source. Most connection issues happen here. Make sure your soundbar is set to the right input. If you are using HDMI ARC, select HDMI ARC on the soundbar. If using optical, select optical mode. Use your soundbar remote to switch input. Step 2, check cable connections properly. Loose or wrong cables cause no sound. For HDMI ARC, connect to the HDMI ARC port on your TV. It is usually labeled ARC. For optical, connect the cable firmly on both ends. You should see a red light inside the optical port. Step 3, enable HDMI RC and CEC on TV. This is a very common missing step. Go to Settings, then go to Sound, then go to Sound Output, then select HDMI ARC, then go to Settings, then go to General, then go to External Device Manager, then turn on HDMI CEC. CEC may be called AnyNet Plus, Simplink, or BraviaSync. Step 4, set correct audio output format. Wrong audio format can block sound. Go to Settings, then go to Sound, then go to Expert Settings, then set Digital Output Audio Format to PCM. This works with most soundbars. Step 5, restart both devices. This refreshes connection signals. Turn off TV and soundbar. Unplug both from power, wait 60 seconds, plug back in, and turn on. Step 6, try a different HDMI or optical cable. Cables can fail silently. Use a high-speed HDMI cable. If possible, test with another cable. This is a common fix from real user feedback. Step 7, repair Bluetooth if using wireless. Sometimes pairing gets corrupted. Go to Settings, then go to Sound, then go to Sound Output, then select Bluetooth speaker list. Remove the soundbar and pair again. Step 8, update TV and soundbar software. Software bugs can break connection. Go to Settings, then go to Support, then go to Software Update, then select Update Now. Do the same for your soundbar if supported. Step 9, advanced fix, factory reset soundbar. Use this only if nothing works. Press and hold the reset button on your soundbar, or use the remote reset option, then reconnect from start. If you still face any problem, comment below. I will reply within 1 hour. Like, share, and subscribe to TechVibes. Your soundbar will now connect perfectly and work without issues.